Hello there everyone and welcome back. So today guys I'm going to detail my father's car using only Sonax car products. So most of the products cost about £5 and only the wheel cleaner and the tire shine product, I think the wheel cleaner was about 7 and the tire shine product was about 9. So we're going to start off with the wheels. We're going to just spray the wheel cleaner on the wheel. It takes about 4 or 5 minutes to react, and then I'm gonna snow foam the whole car with the provided foam cannon in the self-service car wash here. I will rinse the snow foam off and then I will use some spot-free water, and unfortunately I won't be able to do a contact wash here right now, but the spot-free water will allow me to avoid any kind of water spots or anything like that. And what I want to say about this wheel cleaner, it's quite good. I will show you when I'm going to perform a contact wash that there's not that much dirt left on these neglected wheels. So I used about half a gallon of water and I have added 20 ml of that wireless wash to that water container. And I'm using the sponge to go over the car very quick. The car is scratched up and has a lot of swirls, so I wasn't really bothered much about the quality of my contact wash. However, I just wanted to do a good job with what I had. And I used a microfiber cloth to dry the car. I used several microfiber cloths. So as you can see, the wheels here, when I'm finished with the exterior wash, and when I went down to the wheels, they were quite clean. There was not that much brake dust left on top of them, so the wheel cleaner is pretty good. So then I went to use the Auto Politeur. This is a light kind of polish with some carnauba wax with it. So I went to polish the car by hand, and it's a great product, I would say, for this kind of type of amateur use, because it's very easy to apply and very easy to remove, buff it out, and it leaves a nice shine. It removes light swirl marks and whatnot, and it's a great kind of way to improve your paint quickly. So now we're gonna move on to the interior, and I'm using this interior cleaner, which is meant to be used on pretty much all interior surfaces, starting with fabrics to hard plastic and even windows. However, I won't use it on windows here because I will have a separate window cleaner, but it is great for light to moderate dirt cars, just to go over. It doesn't haze up the plastic that much. However, I would keep a separate microfiber cloth, a dry microfiber cloth for glossy surfaces like this handle here. But overall, it's a great experience. It smells nice and it cleans quite well too. So now I'm going to use the Brilliant Shine Quick Detailer just to make sure I didn't leave any high spots after polishing the car, and also I'm going to finesse other exterior elements like the plastic trim with it. It is very easy to apply and again very easy to remove, to buff out this quick detailer, so it works quite well, although it is quite milky, but the user experience is very good. So now I'm going to use the Sonax window cleaner. Great user experience. Again, I'm using 2 cloths, 1 wet cloth, 1 dry cloth for the buff, and overall user experience is great, smells nice, and works just like a good professional great window cleaner. And now we're going to apply the Sonax tire dressing, which comes in an aerosol can. I'm using a clean cloth to even out the finish, and the finish itself is a perfect balance between a matte kind of looking tire with a little bit of a shine to it. Absolutely love it. So these are the final result, guys. The car looks great and it's now ready to hit the road. And thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.